So to finish off, we have a quick flip with the Gotha. So I've remade the prop slot. And hopefully it's going to make it sound better. So it might fly alright, but it sounds terrible. That sounds better. And that flies in trim. Yep. Beyond low rate. Certainly feels better. Again, it's not windy today, which is a bit of a bugger because no additional wind lift means re-trim and there's nobody here, so I can fly like a madman. Ish. I still wouldn't want to be hitting the air with it. Quite so. It does really look like it's going to bloody do something crazy. Thunderstorm, boys. Yeah, it's still not great, that prop shot, but it is better. At least it doesn't sound like the blooming motor's going to come off. And it seems to have made it more manoeuvrable. I'm not sure if that's entirely a possibility, but perhaps it's freed up more air to go across the elevator. Yeah, I think so. That's what's happened. So therefore, that's a very interesting thing, isn't it? So more air is being directed at that part. Steady. Yeah. Yeah, good stuff. Good way to finish. Yeah, it's not, because I think it tends to do a roll rather than a spin because of that elevator. Yeah, that's good. Definitely got that CG right now. We might remix the elevons. Okay. That serves you right, doesn't it? That does serve you right. That little tiny whip aerial. No damage. Yeah, well, no damage apart from that bit. That is good. Just put you back in there. And that's a testament to the rebuilt nose, actually. And the restucks. Yeah. Hey ho. That teaches you to show off, won't it? Oh yeah. As I say, when it's just you. You can be naughty, can't you? Indeed. You'd never have thought that you'd be able to hit that. But actually, it's quite difficult to see. So yeah, should stay on the flying field side, not go over the pits, shouldn't you? Yeah, well, let's say I'm the only one here, so. They happen to be flying great now. Flying great. The time we're most likely to have a catastrophic failure. Good job. Very enjoyable morning. I even got a laugh out of it. Good job. Thank you, Gotha. Still can't believe you could hit the Windsock. Deep. Yep. And now, it's time for lunch.